Then I just used the wrong word.
Line 130
Periodic.
says plot ABS
Yeah.
X
It's
on
periodic.
Desmos and see what it
Thank
looks
you.
like.
No,
Or
not
just
now.
you
Wynn's
just,
making these.
you can just use the vertical bar if you want instead of just abs. I don't know if you can do abs. You can just use vertical bar.
Vertical bar. What?
You know how to type the OR symbol in C sharp? Use that symbol.
And it means abs. What is abs? I don't even know what abs is.
Absolute value. Absolute
Oh.
value.
Absolute value. Hey, do I not need this then?
No, you have to put the X on the inside.
Okay. Oh, you're right. Oh yeah, this is the absolute value thing.
No.
Wait, I wrote
Put X.
Okay.
Just put yeah. There you go. See, there you go.
Okay. I did it. Damn it. Okay, I'm sorry. I get all instructions. So hard. You can just do X. Win said. I know.
Hey.